Hey gang, how's it going? Lawnmower Man, Southeast Kansas, and let's see, 42 degrees. Today, Monday the 13th of January 2020. What I'm going to be working on the next day or two, not a big hurry. Customers working right now anyway. There's about a 5-year-old Stihl leaf blower here. This BG 50 says it's 2015 model. He just acquired it and won't stay running. He says he can get it started, but it just dies, and I can't get gas pumped through it. So it looks like it's pretty gummed up, dirty. Anyhow, just want to let you know, say hi. We're live and well, just freezing here in Southeast Kansas. Hope y'all doing well. New Year. Talk to you later. Bye.